We're good. So if you watched my video yesterday and the day before that, I done talked about this crypto trade. So I called the high and the low with the fib in. And I said it go up from here, and if it would have stayed around this area, it would have went back up. But if it break this low, I said it was gonna keep going. So what did it do? Break this low. So if you was in this, you could have got out and it held this. It's wild. And the people still trying to get in there now. You can do this. Mark the highs and the lows, and then made this so you know it's coming back up. Good way to enter this would have been here. And it's gonna go up, get a 1 and 3, get out the trade, come back on this. But I'm just going over the ones that I took yesterday and today. The market been a little slow this week, but it might kick up today, tomorrow, maybe Friday. But I got into this right here. Well, I'm still in this. High, low, down, pulling back. You gotta feel this. So I got in around down here. I don't think got my phone to show nobody, but just know my entry was around here. I'm going up, but you still gotta feel this, so I ain't get out yet. It's just pulling back a little bit. You can get in really right now. It either come back down here and go up, or keep going down if it break below this, or just stay around this area and just shoot up. Got into Euro USD as well. See? Up, down. And it played around this area, so you know it's going back up because it's in the uptrend. So, switch the trade. It's been a 1 and 3 though. End up going to a 1 and 4, 1 and 5 really. Then it went up. So this noise right now. So you wouldn't even be in this. You could be in this bottle. Fib. $50, $61, played around this area, and it would have been good to go up. This happened around 7 a.m. So from 7 to like 10, it could have been your little entries. And moved around this, but you always want to get it low. What's next? Gold. You know I called this up, down, high, low. Got in around here. Played around a little bit. And the drop on the 3 was here. So you would have woke up to this. And still shooting up. Should have stayed in it, be getting up. And it's going back towards this low. So if it break this low, we'll get ready to buy it. If it don't, we're still gonna buy it. else I get in? TJ. Yep. 4 hour. High, low. You know what's gonna buy now. 15 minute. Which one on 6, but on the 3 happened over here. That was Tuesday. It's like Wednesday. Yeah. End up going to a on the 8. Pull it back, but it's keep going up, but it's noise right here. It's just between these two right here. I think the only ones I got in. Just gonna get ready to sell. I feel that too. Personally, I don't know what it's doing right now. I'm not getting into it till it probably come back up somewhere. Because it can keep going up. I don't know. Go to I. Okay. Let me show you an example when sometimes the market be playing. Okay. You got a high. You got a low. And you got a high right here. But me personally, I've seen this on 15. And that's my fault. It's my fault. Because 4 hour, it never showed them pullback candles out. You know, high, low, pull it back a little bit, so you could have took that by, look, see, it broke his low, pulling back. It showed you right here. It didn't show me nothing, so it just kept buying. That's what the good part is. But I ain't getting the trade. I'm just going over free plays. Right here with it. Some people can say this one, but nah, straight move. So sell from the pop up. Should have been that. Need to be sitting on this for a second. Call out another free play real quick. Amazon talking about. This work for everything. No Amazon was going down. It's just number 3. Do a Forex pick. GU. I don't want to do out of this. Man, you could have, but you got to take what the market gave you. I only trade certain charts though. I'm just showing you that you can do this on any chart, but some pairs be look, show sell, show buy. Played a little bit right here, so let's skip out, but it is gonna sell though. Let me do some more clear. J clear. Yeah. Low. Yeah. That's what we've been had the 1 and 3. And it's just selling now. So it's either gonna come back here or shoot up like that.